Guys, happy Sunday. Welcome back to another Sunday market breakdown on gold and the NASDAQ. Um, we're going to look at the market and see what's cooking for us. So, really quickly, the market already opened up pretty bullish. So, as you can see, gold is just making higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and it's just making a higher high right now. So, we could assume that gold is definitely going to take liquidity from FOMC on Wednesday, and it'll probably just melt after that. So we'll see what happens, but let's go and see what happened in my trades last week. So off the bat, I lost 20 pips, and then came back with another, let's say, 45 pips. Over here, it took a 51 pip loss. This is a 60 pip win. Pretty fire. This one did not trigger, did not enter. Over here, it took a 45 pip win. I wish I held this one too because it just rallied after that. It just rallied. I should have known that price is going to respect support. I should have just held this one. Over here, took a 40 pip loss, a 21 pip win, a 5 pip win. I wish I held this one too because after that, again, like price just rallied. Price formed support, very strong area of support after previous levels of resistance turned into support, and it just rallied. Over here, it took a 43 pip loss. This looks like a break-even trade. 39 pip win, 20 pip loss, and this one is the bigger one. 33 pip win. I won past a challenge in less than 5 minutes. I made 3,300 in less than 5 minutes on that trade. Over here, took a 30 side. It took a little loss here. Little 12 pip loss and 32 pip win. A 28 pip loss. And then I didn't trade FOMC. Over here, 41 pip loss, 43 pip win, a 99 pip win. And those are pretty much the majority of my trades because I didn't trade on Friday. But yeah, guys, I'm going to go ahead and chart for y'all guys, and then we'll see what happens. Let me move this over a little bit. This is a new all-time high. Daily resistance. Daily resistance. Daily resistance. Daily support. And I'll mark this one up as daily resistance also. I'll do daily support and resistance because it did retest it as support. Let's try to find our 4-hour zones. Let's fix the all-time high. We want to make sure it's to the T. There you go. This is a very big 4 hour zone, so I'll probably find a zone within that zone. Also going to mark up this key level also over here. So gold has just been super fucking bullish lately. And it can only assume that it's going to continue going bullish up until it reaches this level and just melt and do a strong pullback into one of these key levels to rise up again. Let's mark up our another mini lower time frame zone. Yeah, I think that's pretty much good for gold now. Up to the 1 hour time frame. Again, we're just trying to identify these pockets of liquidity over gold will probably react the most. Like I'm saying, that gold is probably gonna bounce off this level, come back up to here, take liquidity from FOMC, and just melt. Do something like this. Probably gonna do something like that. Alright guys, so this is my levels for gold. Zoom out so you guys can take a screenshot and mark my key levels. And let's go over to NASDAQ. So the NASDAQ did change its instrument number. So it's now MQZ 2025, no longer MQU 2025. So just make a note of that. And the NASDAQ is trading at all-time highs too, so it's just kind of fucking crazy. It's new all-time high. Daily resistance. Let's also mark up 25,000 because that is a very strong key level. Daily resistance. Labels daily support resistance. Let's find our 4-hour zones. I think that's pretty much it. Because the Nasdaq is so freaking bullish that all I need to do is keep on buying. Wait for resistance to be broken, and wait for the resistance to be retested as support, like it did here, and just rally. So over here, this area of resistance will definitely get retested, and price will probably go bullish and then hit 25,000 and just probably melt. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna zoom out so you guys can see my key levels. Take a screenshot there. All right, y'all. Let's look at the fundamentals for this week. So upcoming this week, we only have flash manufacturing PMI on Tuesday, final GDP and unemployment claims on Thursday, and core PCE on Friday. So not too much going on. Not until the following week, which is going to be NFP. Yep. So it's going to be lighter in the market, but it's still going to be catching some really good moves. Sorry, guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot my DMs. I'm happy to answer them. Peace.